Hello and welcome to Quality Champions. I'm Manisha Gupta. Well, gold has had a good first quarter with the global demand surging by 3% on a year-on-year basis. This marks the strongest first quarter for the precious metal since 2016. The prices during the period hit a record average of $2,070 and an all-time high of $2,400 an ounce. In the month of April, gold prices have recorded their third monthly gain. In India also, demand rose by 8% during Jan to March period. However, the World Gold Council estimates that the price rally could cut India's total consumption to a four-year low in 2024. What does that really mean? And to discuss the outlook on gold, jewelry buying, and especially when we are heading into the India festival season, I am now joined by TEodora Nusca, who's co-founder at Bassano Gioielli, a leading wholesale jewelry company in South Africa. TEodora, hi, thank you so much for joining us. At a time when the gold prices are almost at an all-time highs, how do you look at the prices and the demand going forward?
Well, it is being affected, and the demand is lowered because of the higher prices. So it makes it a bit challenging for us in our business.
TEodora, also, what kind, you're in India and you're from South Africa and you're looking at designs in India. So what is the Indian designs that you're looking for? What is in trend right now?
Indian designs are mostly bracelets. We're personally looking at a medium to low bracket of simple designs, as this is our target market. So we are looking at what our customer base is able to, or our target market affords. So it's the middle to lower, simple designs in gold and in other metals.
Okay, and there have been various innovations in the past few years. The market really seems to be improving. It's not just people in their 30s and 40s that are buying jewelry, but also in their 20s are also making bigger spends here. Would you say trends are changing and that there's more innovation now within the space?
Well, trends are certainly changing from the higher cost items to satisfy that lower market, that younger and upcoming market. So the trends are lowering, and they're looking at options, including the lab grown, which become more affordable for them, and the colored stones.
Well, that's about the age part of it, but how would you describe the African jewelry market right now, and what do you see as trends there?
Our particular market, and I talk only of our region, which is South Africa, the demand is rather slow in the sense of gold and precious stones. It's slow and hopefully will increase and improve.
Okay, not very great demand right now, but as you said, you are anticipating it to improve going forward. Well, geopolitically, globally rather, people are buying gold as safe haven. Do you see that trend picking up in Africa?
Yes and no. Yes and no. With time, I think it's a global phenomenon. There's a lot of uncertainty, and so that reflects also, and it's a reflection also of the instability in all the world, not only in the diamond and the jewelry market.
TEodora, a final question then. Apart from India, where does Africa buy its jewelry from? I mean, what other markets are you scouting?
In Dubai. Predominantly Dubai, some European, but those are our principal other options.
All right. TEodora, thank you so much for joining us. Well, that's the view coming in from South Africa on what they are looking at for the Indian markets and the trends, of course, in their own country there.